Hey everyone, it's I. And let's be real, you've probably heard about Bitcoin going to the moon or Ethereum changing the world. Maybe you've even seen those crazy stories of people turning a few bucks into millions. Are you curious about cryptocurrency but don't know where to start? It can seem complicated, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm breaking down the basics of crypto investing so you can start your journey with confidence. We're going to cover everything from what cryptocurrency actually is to how to safely invest in it. Even if you're starting with just a few dollars. Let's dive in. First things first, what is cryptocurrency? It's like digital cash, but instead of being controlled by banks or governments, it operates on a decentralized network called a blockchain. This blockchain technology acts like a public ledger that records every transaction, making it incredibly secure and transparent. With crypto, the middleman is removed. A network of computers all over the world validates and secures the transaction. This makes it much faster and cheaper to send money across borders without needing permission from anyone. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, the most famous cryptocurrency, but there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and uses. Some, like Ethereum, are used to build decentralized applications, while others focus on privacy or security. The world of crypto is constantly evolving, so it's important to do your research and understand the fundamentals before diving in. So, why should you even consider investing in crypto? It's about being part of a revolutionary technology. And let's be real, the potential for profit is a big draw. Crypto is volatile, but that's where the opportunity lies. Massive gains can happen in a short period. Imagine buying Bitcoin at a few $100s and watching it skyrocket. The potential for growth is definitely there. Now before you go all in on Bitcoin, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Remember that volatility we talked about? Well, it's a double-edged sword. While it can lead to massive gains, it can also lead to significant losses. The crypto market is still relatively young and can be influenced by things like regulations, news headlines, and even tweets from influential figures. Another risk to consider is the lack of regulation. The crypto space is still finding its footing, making it a breeding ground for scams and fraudulent projects. That's why it's crucial to do your due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency. Research the project, understand its technology, and look for red flags like unrealistic promises or a lack of transparency. Ready to dip your toes into the world of crypto? Great! Let's talk about how to get started. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Look for factors like security, fees, and coin availability. You'll need a wallet to store your crypto. Hot wallets are convenient, but cold wallets offer more security. Cold wallets store your crypto offline, making them resistant to hacking. Start small. Invest an amount you're comfortable potentially losing. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of crypto. Before you hit that buy button, take the time to do your research. Use reputable resources like CoinMarketCap or CryptoSlate to learn about different cryptocurrencies. Look at factors like market capitalization and trading volume. Dig deeper and try to understand the real-world use cases of a cryptocurrency. What problem is it trying to solve? Who is the team behind the project? Avoid FOMO, the fear of missing out. Stick to your research, trust your gut, and don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Okay, so you've bought some crypto. Now let's talk about keeping it safe. Security is paramount in the crypto world, as hackers and scammers are constantly on the lookout for vulnerable targets. Always enable two-factor authentication on your exchange and wallet accounts. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a unique code from your phone or email in addition to your password. Never share your private keys with anyone. Your private keys are like the master password to your crypto assets. Anyone who has access to your private keys can control your funds. Be wary of phishing scams. Scammers might send you fake emails or messages that look like they're from a legitimate exchange or wallet provider. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Keep your private keys safe and secure, just like you would with your social security number or any other sensitive information. That's it for Crypto Investing 101. You've learned the basics of cryptocurrency, why you might consider investing, the risks involved, and how to get started safely. Remember, knowledge is power in this space. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Cryptocurrency is an exciting and rapidly evolving world with the potential to revolutionize finance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos on crypto, investing, and personal finance. And let me know in the comments which crypto you're most excited about.